The fastest Rubik's Cube solver so far seen in Bamenda or maybe Cameroon. We have our stopwatch here, which we have not started, and we are mixing the Rubik's Cube already. And then this is our solver who is ready to solve no matter how difficult it is. Okay. Let's go. Are you done? Okay, hand it over to him for observation. And then
we are starting.
Let's see how we roll. Okay, let me just have it. It's okay. Okay, are you okay observing?
Yes.
Okay. So we are starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So we have our stopwatch. You can always observe the stopwatch down to see that it's not a cut and join video. And you can see his hands as he's solving the Rubik's Cube. Okay. We are on 20 seconds already solving. Whoa. Okay, 40 seconds. Announcing the time, how a psychological work on your brain that makes you to delay. Wow, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 second. Okay, that's good, but not the best. Means it was well scattered. Anyway, good enough. He's still doing some defeat.